Julie Webb of LitCentric.com. Welcome to writing. In this video, I'm going to share with you a really simple activity students can do. They're going to help them to explain their thinking and elaborate just a little bit more on a basic idea. We're going to create sunny day and rainy day writing. So here, students are actually going to think about some activity that they can do on a sunny day and a separate activity that they do on a rainy day. And we want those activities to be really separate. We don't want the same activity on both days. And we want students to be thinking very flexibly about the activities that they do and why they do them on a particular day. So the reason that you might do something on a sunny day is because you can go outside and take advantage of the sunny weather or do an activity that you just can't do inside. And an activity you might do on a rainy day might be something where you get a little cozy or something that you can easily do inside that's not dependent on the weather. So we want kids thinking about not just the activities, but to actually think logically about why that activity makes sense inside or outside, whether it's sunny or rainy. So here's what the activity can look like. So here's for the sunny day. So the student chose that they like to ride their bike on a sunny day, which makes a lot of sense because you really can't ride a traditional bike inside, can you? Or at least it's hard to do actually in the rain. Probably not the best idea. So here the student wrote, on sunny days, I like to ride my bike. And I know a lot of teachers will have students stop right there. And that's actually a great place to think about where can we elaborate on this idea. But we need to show students exactly what we mean by elaborate. We can't just say write more or add more details because students don't really understand what that means. And I don't really want more writing just for the sake of more. I want true elaboration. So I want students, in this case, to explain their idea further. So if we just say, on sunny days, I like to ride my bike, you're expecting the reader to connect this idea that riding your bike makes sense on a sunny day because you can get outside and the weather's nice. But instead of actually having the reader kind of have that burden of proof there, we want to show students to elaborate so that we connect the dots for readers so they don't have to make those assumptions on their own. So we're going to start with that same sentence again. On sunny days, I like to ride my bike. And here we're going to show them to elaborate with the word because we're going to provide an explanation. So I like to ride my bike because I can enjoy being outside with my family. So now not only have we elaborated, but we have a much stronger sentence. So on this side, students now write their rainy day piece. So maybe students say, when it rains, I like to cuddle on the couch and read. That's a great rainy day activity, but it's not enough. We want students to elaborate with an explanation. In this case, instead of using the word because, we're going to use the word so. When it rains, I like to cuddle on the couch and read, so I stay warm and dry inside. So again, we're not putting that burden on the reader to make a bunch of assumptions about what we're talking about and why we chose that activity. We're connecting the dots between I chose this activity, the weather outside, and the connection between those two things. That's going to create stronger writing in the end. And that's a skill that students can leverage and carry forward with lots of different types of writing projects in the future. And publishing it this way with sunny on one side and rainy on the other is kind of fun, and it gives kids this kind of a way to interact with their audience a bit and share their writing in a different way. So I hope you give it a try with your writers and have a great day at school.